Welcome to the MMLL Library. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use our self-service kiosk to borrow and return books and DVDs. First, let's go through how to borrow. Once you've found the items you want to take out, take them to the self-service kiosk in the library foyer. Press the button that says Issue and scan your CamCard barcode under the red line. Then, place your items on the white pad. You can put down multiple items at a time, but any more than 4 won't work. Wait until you can see all the names of the items appear on the screen. Press Finish, and you're all done. Now we'll show you how to return. Press the Return button on the kiosk. No need to scan your card. Then place your items on the white pad, again up to 4 at a time. Once you see all the items appear on the screen, press Next and place them on the reshelving trolley. If someone else has recalled your item, a message will appear on screen. Please read this and pass the item to one of the library staff. Press Finish and you've returned your items. All undergraduates, graduates and university staff are eligible to borrow from the library and can borrow up to 12 items at a time. All loans will automatically renew until the end of your course or if someone else recalls the item. You can make and check reservations and check your library record via iDiscover wherever you are. As always, if you need any assistance, please ask a member of library staff and we'll be happy to help you. Some items are in our short loan collection. This means they can only be borrowed for 24 hours. These items are marked with a yellow and black tape and your return date will show up on the kiosk screen when you take out a book. Thank you for watching.